Hi there, thanks for tuning in. We'd like to give you a video tour of our DeYoung Properties Residence 190 floor plan. Come on in. Making your way past the entry, you'll find the gourmet kitchen. Combined with an extra large island, stainless steel appliances, and luxurious Kohler fixtures, the kitchen provides an abundance of space and storage. The kitchen opens up directly to the dining room, which is perfect for enjoying delicious meals with the family. Adjacent to the kitchen and dining room, you'll find the spacious great room. Looking for a cozy, comfortable space? Select the gas-burning fireplace, which features an elegant stone surround. Then sit back and relax. The owner's bedroom suite is your sanctuary. Enjoy waking up every morning in this bright and airy bedroom. The 10-foot ceiling and 8-foot doors help to make this suite feel open and voluminous. Wow, just stop and take a moment to envision getting ready in this spacious bathroom suite. It's complemented with a large walk-in closet, providing a well-suited organizational space. You'll never have closet envy when you have one like this. Don't miss catching the beautiful, relaxing walk-in shower on the way out. Now let's make our way to the rest of the home. At the center of the Residence 190, you'll find the oversized pantry. And down the hall is the laundry room, which provides convenient access to the adjacent kitchen. Around the corner, you'll find the entry, which is a perfect catch-all for everyday items and comes with a coat closet. Across the hall is bedroom 2, which is filled with abundant natural light. Bedrooms 2 and 3 also share a bathroom, which features ample countertop space, a shower, and Kohler bathtub. And finally, we come to bedroom 3, a sizable room perfect for your family, which can be converted into a peaceful home office. Well, that completes our video tour of our DeYoung Residence 190, a single-story floor plan that's perfect for entertaining all of your guests. Call us today to learn more.